Hello everyone, it's me Kainat. I hope you all are well. So, let me tell you about those two apps and how they help me become more confident and fluent in English. So, I used to understand English when someone spoke. I couldn't speak it at that time. I didn't even know about any apps that could help me with speaking English. Okay, so one day I was watching YouTube videos. Okay, so a an ad poppedly coming, and after seeing that ad, I come to know about the CVNS fluency application. So I download it, and this kind of apps are really helpful. If you want to improve your speaking skill, definitely try these apps. Okay, they will help you practice speaking and make you more confident and fluent in English. These two apps helped me in many ways. First, they gave me a proper environment to practice speaking English every day. Okay, I could speak with real people. Or second, I also learned new vocabulary through conversation, not just by memorizing. Okay, and last, not the least, most important, they help me overcome my fear of speaking. I become more confident. Okay, so if you are serious about improving your English speaking skills, I truly recommend it. Try these apps. Okay, they really helped me, and I believe they can help you too. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.